Welcome to our channel, guys. Today we're gonna see a clear picture about the compound finance scammer, guys. Okay, the scammer, we got a lot of details about the scamming person, and we have the trust wallet details, everything we have, guys. So we're gonna see the best video of the day, guys. Okay, guys, let's come get into the video. Okay, guys, this is our official Telegram group, TECHVIEWZ. If you not joined it, just don't forget to join this Telegram group, guys. Okay, guys, let's get into the video, guys. Okay, guys. Okay, just we need to open compound finance official group, guys. Yesterday before pre-sale there is a lot of messages that are coming, right, every second. So we need to open that pre-sale group, guys. Okay, this is the group up to scamming. Before scamming, this group was working, guys. So this group, we need to notice there is a message compound finance for pre-sale open. For buying BNB, we need to send to this address. For buying BUSD, if you want to buy with BUSD, we have to send to this address, guys. Okay, both are similar address, guys. Okay, so here we can get clear idea about the things, guys. Okay, just click on buy BNB. There is address, right? Just click on the address, guys. Just click on the address. Then just go to trust wallet, guys. Okay, just go to trust wallet, and you have another, you need to create another wallet, guys. Just click on settings, just click on wallet, and you need to import new wallet, guys. I already have two wallets. You need to import new wallet. So top right you have a plus symbol, right? Just click on the plus symbol. I already have a wallet. Click on that. Then this is a Binance smart chain based on, so smart chain, click on smart chain. You don't have first, you don't have key store, you don't have private key, you have address. So click on the final one, guys. Okay, click on address and paste here. Just click on paste here, then import, give on import, guys. Your wallet will be added. Okay, guys, your wallet will be successfully imported. Okay, guys, so this is the trust wallet address. All the people are sending money to this address only, guys. Okay, this is the address, this is the trust wallet address. All the people are sending money to join pre-sale, not to fake buy, guys, but just all the people are transferring money to join pre-sale, guys. Okay, here you will get all the ideas, guys. Okay, finally the last transaction made here is 152 BNB from this address. All the people are sending money to this address. This guy cheated all the 152 BNB from this address to safer wallet. He transferred 152 BNB from here to, he transferred some other secure wallet of his scammer account, guys. Okay, so this is a transaction lastly happened, guys. Okay, smart contract call 152 BNB, guys. Okay, so from the guy transferred 152 BNB to his address, guys. Okay, before that, see here, up to 7:30 pre-sale end timing 7:30, right? Up to 7:30, lot of people here 0.03, 0.02, 0.01, lot of people are transferring money to this address, guys. Okay, lot of people, see here, lot of transactions are done, before 8 p.m. yesterday 8 p.m. happened, 0.1 BNB for $40. Lot of people are making transaction to join in the pre-sale, guys. Okay, every people sending money to this address only, guys. Okay, and finally we can check it out once more. Smart contract call, this 152 BNB he transferred to some other address, right? So we can go to that address, guys. Okay, so recipient is there. Click on this one, copy. Okay, click on this one, copy, and just go back and add another wallet, guys. Settings, wallet, and add wallet. I already have a wallet, smart chain, then address, paste, import. So your wallet will be successfully imported, guys. Okay, so this is the address, guys. Okay, see here how much dollar money is there, guys. Oh my god, see here how much BNB is there. He's stolen from all the people and making people cheating, guys. See here, 100, oh my god, how much of money, 15 crore BNB he's having. Oh my god, see here, 15 crore BNB he's having in this wallet. This is a scammer wallet. He's cheating all the people and keeping this much of money, guys. Oh my god, I can't believe this. See here, oh my god, 15 crore BNB. This is, oh my god, I can't believe this. See here how much dollar, 15 crore BNB, and I don't know, like 1,000 crore of dollar, man. Oh my god, this is a scammer account, guys. 15 crore BNB, and how much crore of dollar money he's having, and keeping, smart chain being 15 crore BNB, and oh my god, and 80 crore trust wallet coin, and BTC how much? 7,350 BTC Bitcoin, and Ethereum, oh my god, 52,000 Ethereum, Swipe coin, Binance BUSD, Leo Network, Travala, AN Car, lot of coins he's keeping, guys. Oh my god, this is the camera address, guys. Check this. Bad Bob 20, oh my god, how much dollar he's keeping. Scroll down, coming, lot of things coming, guys. Oh my god, lot of things. Oh my god, see here, just now he made a transaction with this address. Just now you can click 0.15 BNB transferred to some other address, $62 worth. Just now, today is 12:39 PM. Right now the timing is 12:42. 3 minutes ago he made a transaction. Right, just now also transferring money to some other people, guys. Oh my god, this is unbelievable. This much of money the scammer is keeping in the wallet. It's unbelievable, guys. It's unbelievable. Oh my god, I don't know how to explain this much of money he's keeping. That much, he's a big scammer, guys. So don't get into this kind of scamming things. Just be safe, okay, guys. This is the one transaction happened right now, and another one transaction made right now. 1.3 BNB also sent right now. We can check with sender or receiver. This is a sender, right? Okay. Oh my god, this much of BNB transferring. I never seen such a wallet in my life. But right now, how much dollar available in this wallet? Check it here. This is crazier. Right, just right now also the transaction is happening. You can see. Right now also the transaction is happening, guys. Just now the transaction happened. See here, 12:39, 0.15 BNB, and another one 1.3 BNB transferred some other address. This is crazy. Okay, guys, hope you all understand this is a scammer address. So don't get this kind of things. This much of money they are keeping, but still they are cheating the people, and this much of 15 crore of BNB they are having, but still yesterday they cheated 150 BNB. Oh my god, how can I believe this, guys? Just crazier things happening. I can't believe this, guys. Okay, guys, I would suggest you all just be safe from these kind of scammers. Don't get into these kind of projects. Be safe. That's what I would suggest, guys. Anyway, let's get a clear explanation. Now, soon the scammer will catch up, guys. Soon. Okay. A lot of people are there. Soon scammer will get catch up, guys. Don't worry. We will soon find him, guys. Anyway, don't get into this kind of projects. Be safe, guys, and your hard-earned money, don't invest in this kind of projects. Just analyze the project and invest in your own risk, and be careful, guys. Thank you.